Welcome to Pyspark tutorial on our Blissmas Academy's YouTube channel. We hope this content helps you elevate your skills and advance your career to the next level. Before you dive into the Pyspark tutorial, you have to understand what is big data, what is distributed processing by going through the big data foundations tutorial. And also, you need to have a minimal knowledge of Python as well. So we do have big data foundation tutorial and also Python tutorial as a separate playlist in our channel. Please complete them and come back to this Pyspark playlist. Our approach is always complement the concepts with the hands-on. So we have explained the concepts and complemented them with the hands-on examples. Please make a use of it. You're wondering, where do you need to do the hands-on? We have a separate playlist for the installation of videos to set up the environment required for practicing Pyspark. So please install Pyspark by going through our video in the installation playlist and then start practicing Pyspark. Anything else you need to know? Yes. The playlist is an exhaustive playlist of all the important concepts in Pyspark. But if you already know something, you can always skip the video and watch the subsequent videos. Please subscribe to our channel and also forward the channel to your family and friends. Thank you so much for choosing us. We are excited to guide you through the Pyspark journey.